explain to everybody what you're doing here. Explain to them what this is.
My refrigerator will run down my batteries if I don't plug it in. Because this unit, my Peterbilt, it would run if the batteries got pulled down. The APU unit would. But this one here, I can't for some reason get it to run. I've had people tell me, oh, you got to do this, you got to do that. It doesn't matter what I do, it doesn't come on. So it'll sit here and run down the battery. So I just connect it from the batteries and plug it to the house when I'm sitting at the house.
AJ, you need to get the Herbie out. It's your job to get the Herbie out.
Oh, wait, it's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday night. Trash comes on Thursday morning. Put it in front of Wilma's house because of Dad's truck.
There's a turd in there for you to sniff.
What's that all about?
Keep the door closed.
Oh, because of the cord. Oh.